In this video, I want to go over adding and subtracting inequalities. What I mean by inequalities is that instead of an equal sign, they'll now have a less than or equal to sign, a greater than or equal to sign, a less than sign, or a greater than sign. So now the solutions to these will not be a single number. They'll be a set of numbers. And we'll go through what that exactly means with this example 1 here. Okay. I have x minus 2 is greater than 11. And I want to solve this. I want to see what x values I can plug in that will make this statement true. Well, I see that x is being subtracted by a 2. So I'm going to do the inverse operation, and I'm going to add 2 to both sides. That's going to give me an x on the left. I will keep the inequality symbol the same, and I'll just add 2 to 11 to get 13. So this is our solution. X is greater than 13. So that means that our solution set is all the numbers that are greater than 13, not including 13. So an example, what would work? Any number greater than 13. So 14 would work, 100 would work, 1000 would work, etc. So any number, the solution to this will be any number greater than 13. And you can show this by just plugging in one of these values that we said was greater than 13. So if I plugged in 14, I would have 14 minus 2 is greater than 11. 14 minus 2 is 12. And 12 is indeed greater than 11. So this works. On to example 2. We have negative 3/4 is greater than x minus. Okay, so what I can do here is I can add 3/4 to both sides. And what do I get? Well, on the left, I have a negative 3/4 and a positive 3/4. That's going to be 0. On the right, I keep my inequality symbol, and on the right, I have just an x. So I know that this solution set, it's not just one single number, it's any number that is greater than, or I apologize, is less than 0. If you wanted to write this with the x on the left, you could just put the x on the left and flip the inequality. And this says the same thing. So any number that makes x less than 0. So I could plug in a negative 1, negative 500, negative 50. Okay, any of these numbers would work. As long as the number is less than 0, it will make this statement true.